welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to use Chelee app in Nigeria. Some of you have been wondering, yes, you can use the Chelee app in Nigeria, and this is how to get started. First, you have to download and sign up, and once you've done that, you have to open the app and provide your, like I said, sign up with your phone number or email address. Then you have to understand the basics. Now, what are the basics? The first one is the watch to earn. You see, Chelee is a watch to earn social fi platform. You earn their in-app currency called the lead tokens by watching videos in the field. They also have what they call digital glasses. To maximize your earning, you need to acquire digital glasses. The first class you'll be given upon signing up is called the starting glasses, but it has limitations on the earnings and withdrawals. So you have to use higher rarity glasses like Element or higher. You can buy them in the in-app marketplace to get yourself better earning potential. Then also there's also something called the paid watching minutes. When you watch videos with your glasses activated, you accumulate paid watching minutes. Then every 4 minutes of paid viewing time, you get a box containing lead tokens. The rarity and level of your glasses determine the amount of lead you receive. Lead token is the main cryptocurrency you earn and can withdraw from the app. Easy coin is another in-app currency earned through actions like swiping and completing tasks. Its use within the app may vary. They also have what we call earning strategies. Now, what are the earning strategies I'm going to teach you? 1. Watching videos. 2. Upgrading glasses. 3. Creating content to help you earn donations in lead tokens from other users. Social boosts, when you complete profile tasks. Referral program, when you invite friends to earn extra lead and easy coins. So once you sign up and buy glasses, you get sweet. Then we also have tax center. When you complete simple tasks within the app, you can earn easy coins and other bonuses. So how do you navigate the app? There's a part called the feed, the markets, the wallets, the profile. So simple as that. Now for the withdrawal process in Nigeria, we have direct withdrawal to, that is Naira, and it's very available through the app. What you do is go to the market section, select wallet, tap Chelee, select NGN as your currency, and choose a payment provider. Be aware of fees and payout times. Enter the amount of lead you want to sell and your withdrawal details. For example, card number, phone number, wallet details. Confirm the transaction. Important consideration for Nigerian users. Payment providers. The specific payment providers available for withdrawals in Nigeria may vary, so check the app for the current option. Currency conversion rates. You have to be mindful of the exchange rate offered within the app when selling lead for Naira. Transaction fee. Also check that out. Potential issues. Some user reviews have reported issues with the app, including withdrawal problem or account being blocked. It is wise to be aware of these potential risks. Network and data cost. The app involves watching videos which will consume your mobile data. Ensure you have a suitable data plan. What are the tips for using Chelee in Nigeria? Start by understanding the app's mechanics and the role of digital glasses. Consider the cost of upgrading your glasses versus the potential earning increase. Explore all the earning methods available, such as referral and tax. Carefully reviewing the withdrawal options, fees and exchange rates before making a withdrawal. Stay updated on any announcement for changes within the Chelee app. Remember, the cryptocurrency and NFT space can be volatile, and any potential of such apps can change. It's always a good idea to go do thorough research and understand the risks involved.